I'm Josie Gibson, and I'm going to bust some of the most common misconceptions around attending a virtual WW workshop.
Hi everyone!
Oh, hello everybody.
Oh, hold on. I forgot to add in Josie.
What is she doing?
Josie, what are you doing? Oh! Hi guys!
Jose, your camera's on.
See? This is what I'm talking about. You've got to be a techie to use these things.
I think for the most part, people know how to sign into an online meeting. Virtual workshops are a great way to meet like-minded people that understand your lifestyle and your weight goals. And it also means you can connect with Coach Kathy, even though she's miles away.
I suppose, but what if they're just full of awkward silences, or even worse, boring? No fear of that when we're on the call.
The other blessing is your weight won't be the focus of the meeting. But if you do want to weigh in, you can do that in private whenever you want for an accurate and personal check-in. Find a coach and virtual workshop that works for you with our virtual workshop finder. Go to WW's website to find out more.